unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
Sneezing attacks in bright sunlight, known as the photic sneeze reflex, are triggered by sudden exposure to bright light. This phenomenon overstimulates the trigeminal nerve in your face, mistakenly interpreted by your brain as an irritant in the nose, prompting a sneeze. Wearing sunglasses when going outdoors on sunny days can help reduce the incidence of these sneezing attacks.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.